Good evening, traders. I'm Nalakshi Swami. Welcoming back to my channel, Smart Index Edge. Let us analyze the trade in comparison with the yesterday's trade. There is a lot of difference between the today's trade as well as the yesterday trade. Yesterday, it was a trap and reverse. Here, that didn't happen in the market. If you consider market gapped up, and this you may consider this as a first 5-minute candle. No, it is not so. The first 5-minute candle is a gap. That is the big candle, though price is not visible there. Candle is not visible there. Price has moved through the space. So the first 5-minute candle is over here. Then you have to apply the, you have to form a candle up to this and mark high and low of the candle. And this is, if you take this is the 180 degree. You can see it was a retest. Probably many traders might have jumped into wrong trade because that was the very crucial level. This was the level 23,068 was the VIX level as well as the level of the completion of the cycle, market cycle. Three levels of market cycle. That was the level. Exactly market started. The market presented in a different way, gapping up, and it's presented in this fashion. This price action is also a bit tricky. Only with experience you will get this. So whenever you see the gap and use a big gap, not a small gap, and you need to put a candle over there and you need to see what is happening over there. If you start doing this, you will not do any mistake. And this is the first candle. So my circle is not here to this first, the day's first, though it appeared as a first 5-minute candle, this is the first 5-minute candle, gapping up. Price has moved through the space. So my circle started from here. And this was the retest. It was a great opportunity for the people to enter long. Enter long. If you take the same thing, take the 45 degree. I'm taking this one, coordinate, adjusting to 45 degree. And by experience, you need not apply Gann fan or anything. Just see whether 180 degrees violated, or sometimes it will not come to 180 degree. See, it has come to almost 1/3 or 1/4 angle. So from there, you can see market started moving higher. The only problem was the market came to this. This was the high made on an hourly time frame. And that high, the market suddenly moved to this high and it started stalling. Only after 12. After 12, it started popping up above this and a small candle above, closing above this level. You can see a candle close above this level, indicating the range expansion. So it was an history. After that, it was an history and 23,000 call option, which was around 72 or 73, around this area. It went up to 205, 203, like that. So it increased exponentially from 83 to 200. That is more than 120 points you could have captured. Let us go and see the call option over there. 23,000 call option. So if you go there, you can see it was around 70 over here, and the low made was takes time for picking up the tool. The low was 43 rupees. You cannot see this structure in the when compared to the underlying. You can see it is coming down. So you need to consider the option structures will be different from the underlying. You need to compare with that. Once it comes to that level, see from 75, it rallied up to 208 or something. It was a huge after the breakout. That means a new cycle has started in the market, breaking above this level. Tomorrow we need to see whether it will give discount. Let me go to this is option chart already over, finished. So we'll be into next week's this one. 27th is the last day for the market to close. So let me go to the indices. So this was the trade actually. And in my evening video, I had explained what can happen to the market. I analyzed in all possible ways. If you see there, it can go up to 23,246 from this cycle. Today's cycle, it can reach 23,246. On intraday basis, after 3 p.m. to 55, it has given discount. From 2:15 to it has corrected to 190. That is around 25 points correction you are seeing in the market. And you can see some sort of reversal in the intraday structure break. You can see change of character you are seeing over here. But still, the circle base is over here. This thing, anything coming down to 23,070 or 23,139, or there is an order block over here, it can act as support. Thus the level is 23,107. So this is how the trade on the call option manifested. So the people who have gone short might have got trapped today also. They might have done very bad decision if they would have taken put option. Okay, friends, this is how you need to analyze the market to enter into the market. So this is a different situation wherein gap up is coming. It's a huge gap from it is breakaway gap. When it is a breakaway gap, break above all these things. You cannot expect it to fill the gap. This is a momentous gap. And I have considered this gap as the candle, and I'm considering it as when you consider it as a circle, that becomes a first 5-minute candle. There is no break, trend change in the first 5-minute candle itself. It is a retest, you could have taken the trade. That's how the trade fared today. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami. And apart from that, I wanted to inform you that I had made a video for swing trade. I had shown few stocks like Jubilant Food and also Apollo Hospital, Dr. Reddy, and all those stocks. You can see on your own how they have performed. Let us go to Dr. Let me put it to stocks. Dr. Reddy. Dr. Reddy Labs. Let me go to the daily time frame. I'll remove the drawings. See how it has moved. Dr. Reddy after the 3-day consecutive lower closes, and it is a bullish engulfing. That means change of character. It has given nearly from here, it has given 7% of up move within 1, 2, 3, 4 days. And Apollo Hospital, I think today it has corrected little bit or intraday. Apollo Hospital also it has not corrected here. So even Apollo Hospital from here to here, it has given 7.81%. And the call option, 6,200 call option, it has increased from 71 rupees to 220 rupees, more than that. So this is how you can catch the swing trade in the stocks. Whenever sometimes index will go sideways, then you can switch on to stocks and stock options. In some stocks which are highly liquid, you can do that and you can trade better. Even today, TCS was continuously coming down. Here you can pick up TCS like this. See, there was a lower close and this candle has engulfed all these closes. That means change of character. The expansion to the trend as established in the TCS, any intraday dip, you can buy for the target of, if it is a measured move, you can get the target to 3,650 to 3,700 in TCS. And Infi also came into my radar. This was a bearish close, lower close. It has engulfed. You can consider Infi also for your trade, for trend trade from here. So like that, Jubilant Food, what has happened to Jubilant Food? Let us see. It has come back because this is a natural process. After this move, it has given from here 12% of move, it is a retracement. After 12% of move, it is a retracement. Let us go to hourly. Why this type of retracement we are getting? So let us see whether it has completed 3 cycles. No, it has completed only 2 ranges. So it is picture abhi to baki hai. That means still it has got room to go up to 677 to 683. So it is in the around second measured move, that is a measured move. The price has stalled and today it is a low of the day, low 5 minutes low of the day. Probably it can increase. The trend may continue to the upside today itself. So let us see whether the market has increased its base from here to here. Then it becomes one more circle for a me trend structure. So then it is the base 180 degree. It has come to that level and it has taken support. So let us see whether it is going to continue. For that, we need to see this is a breakout of the structure. Then our 180 degree will come over here. 180 degree will come over here. Tomorrow, any up move, it will start moving higher to the next level. So it is a correction for you people. It is a discount from this move, trend move. If we take this tool and if we see this is a more than 50%, 0.6182 discount you have got in the market. This is how you can trade in stocks also. If the stocks are very liquid, then you can go for the options and you can make money. This is a very best strategy, trend swing strategy. I have shown it to you. It is working very beautifully. You can make your own screeners and see for that. Okay, friends. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.